Hello, I am Neeraj Mararka, co-founder and CTO of Bluzelle. Let me welcome you to the Bluzelle HackSummit Challenge. We are already familiar with WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Hangouts, WeChat, etc. These messengers have problems. They're all centralized instant messengers owned and run by corporations. So your privacy is not guaranteed. In fact, there's no scientific way to be certain your data is secret. Since they are run by corporations in a centralized way, they're vulnerable to censorship and sanctions. If you're based in a country that these messengers are banned from serving, you may not even be able to use them or might get kicked off them at some point. Cloud providers like AWS and Google are vulnerable to such sanctions. As a result, messengers like Signal have had to go through great lengths to remain operational. Centralization is also vulnerable to outages. Signal Messenger had an outage this past month, and for hours it was down and inaccessible. The reason? Storms and floods in the eastern United States. Scalability is always a challenge. As your business grows and becomes successful, you need to scale for that success. The worst thing that can happen is a lack of scale, bringing down an otherwise successful business. IAMs are incredibly pervasive in our society. It is important to be prepared for explosive growth. Bluzelle makes this possible. So now, what is the challenge? Well, if you've not guessed it already, it's to build an instant messenger powered by the Bluzelle database. So here are the requirements. We're looking for an instant messenger that allows users to send textual messages to other users. The textual messages themselves should be stored on the Bluzelle network and on our testnet swarm. There should be a means to sign up, either via email or via mobile phone. A bonus if there is an authentication to confirm that the person owns that email address or phone number. The instant messenger can be a web app or a mobile app. A bonus for having a mobile app that runs easily on Android or iOS. It does not require that the core logic for your instant messenger itself be decentralized, but it will be a big bonus if you can demonstrate that it is, perhaps if it's running on a blockchain. The winner will be chosen from amongst the participant projects by a panel of judges at Bluzelle. The judges' decisions are final, binding, and uncontestable. Judgment will be based on the following criteria. The first one being utilization of the Bluzelle database to store messages, contact lists, and other information. That's going to have a weight of about 40%. Number two, leveraging decentralized concepts for the application logic and processing and architecture. That's going to have a weight of 20%. Number three is their presentation, the design of the application, including the flow, the usability, and the user interface. That's another 20%. Number four, the bonus intangibles. So what I'd like to do here is give you a list of things that we imagine would be nice bonuses. So inclusion of support for voice, images, videos, email or phone authentication, mobile support, notifications, an ability to search for your contacts, ability to back up chat messages, group support, and then use of oracles or external decentralized services for things like identity, etc. So that's another 20% for the bonuses. We're offering a generous cryptocurrency prize to the winner of the Bluzelle challenge. 60% of this prize will be awarded for meeting all of the above criteria that I've given here. 40% of the prize will be awarded for cooperation with the Bluzelle team by forking the code over to Bluzelle onto GitHub, signing the Contributor Licensing Agreement or CLA, and then basic code cleanup and presentation. Optionally, we also welcome you to participate in future development of the project with Bluzelle. So now, I welcome you to participate in our challenge and look forward to your submissions. Thank you.